Whether Nobel Prize winner or Professor of the Year, student or entrepreneur, they all come together at Science City, Frankfurt's new science park in the equally new Riedberg district northwest of the city centre. Today, research is being conducted there into tomorrow's world. A new Max Planck Institute is being erected here on what was not long ago farmland. It's also here that biotechnology firms are conducting genetic research, and Frankfurt's Goethe-Universität has grouped its natural science departments. Pharmacy Professor Theodor Dingermann is delighted about the new opportunities provided by this extraordinary setup. The blend of theoretical research and practical application is unprecedented worldwide.
Wissenschaft ist generell ein interdisziplinäres Miteinander umgehen.
In general, science tends to hinge on interdisciplinary cooperation. We have some research equipment here and other research equipment there, with our doctoral students and undergraduates simply moving between locations. Yet at the same time, Science City is a nucleus for companies and spin-offs, which not only share our infrastructure, but use our pool of well-trained scientists to recruit their staff.
Als gut ausgebildete Wissenschaftlerinnen und Wissenschaftler anstellen können.
Dingermann takes advantage of the special setup at Riedberg and places a strong focus on career-oriented teaching. In fact, in 2009, this earned him the title Professor of the Year. Some 5,000 students benefit from having first-rate non-university institutions literally on their doorstep. The Frankfurt Institute for Advanced Studies, FIAS, is located just a few yards from the Biocenter, while at the Frankfurt Innovation Center for Biotechnology, or FITS, startups are busy developing medical solutions for the future. It is our aim to make genetic information available to everyone, to provide individuals with their own personal genetic code. The knowledge I gain about myself allows me to make an informed decision to stay healthy or to get healthy again. We call it Personal Genomics Services. The company relocated to the FITS in August 2009. The Personal Genomics Services has turned Biologis into a global trailblazer. For FITS Managing Director Christian Garber, what's happening in the Riedberg community is simply breathtaking. What really amazes me is that not so long ago, in 2002, there was nothing up here but fields. People had to use country lanes in order to get here. But looking today at the speed at which the university is expanding, the Max Planck Institutes are being established, and the entire residential infrastructure is developing, I'm utterly convinced that in only 10 years' time, the focus here will be on life science, sparked among other things by the development pushed by Biologis right here in this building. It means that we will have a new catalyst for a widely applicable microbiological diagnosis, which in turn will be reflected in the consumer markets.
Dann eben auch in den Konsumentenmärkten sich das widerspiegelt.
Equally reflected will be the work of Nobel Prize winner and member of the advisory board at FITS, Hartmut Michel, who runs a research center for membrane proteins at the Max Planck Institute for Biophysics next door. These proteins regulate processes such as breathing, absorbing food and medication, which makes them extremely important for medicine. We have all the essential methods for breaking up membrane proteins at hand. Here at the Institute, we have an electron microscope and an X-ray crystallography unit, while the university focuses on nuclear magnetic resonance. These are the three essential methods, and we're very happy to be in a position where we can choose the most suitable method to fit each particular case. We closely collaborate with the university. Science City on Frankfurt's Riedberg, close at hand, excellent contacts and unique conditions for science and industry alike.